Hi, I'm Dana Davis. I'll be your teacher, instructor, professor, and possibly friend. I am so happy to be here, even though this is a very, very strange, challenging way for me to be with you. But let's make the most of it. I love photography. I am going to say things that are also written in the text because maybe having it two ways is the best way to have it. So bear with me. Making photographs is an important part of my life. It's been huge. I also think it can be an important part of everyone's life, whether you make your living and your life out of it, or it happens to be some way you want to express what you know, what you see, what you discover, to investigate the world, to find out new things, to have the delight of discovery. I find photography to be a channel to the unseen view of the world. The world is incredibly complex, and sometimes the camera can show you things you could not have conceived and therefore may not have been able to see. Perception is often recognition, at least past the age of 3 or 4. Kids, watch them play. They are discovering constantly. They are getting source from what they are playing with. After a certain age, you kind of know it really directs how you see. So essentially, you're just recognizing things. And that means that you're seeing what you already know. The camera can be a channel to allow you to explore things you can't see otherwise. Okay, so we make lots of pictures. We use our good friend, the telephone. I like this. I mentioned this camera in my text. This is the one my father gave me, an honor to have. I've lived with it ever since. And it allowed me to see the world in a much, much different way. Anyway, we are mostly here to make pictures. We will take some nuts and bolts because this is a technique. There's a science to it. There are, I won't say rules, but there are principles that will allow you to do stuff or prevent you from doing things. We want to take the reins. We want to be able to work this tool. But most of what we're going to do is pictures. A little bit of writing, which will help us reflect on how we're seeing the world, how we're dealing with stuff, what we would like to say with our photographs. But mostly it's about making pictures. So that to me is a perfect way to end this discussion. Thank you so much. Let's see if I can load this puppy up and look forward to a great semester with you guys. Thanks. Bye.